What's good YouTube, it's your boy Nick Wavy. I'm back with a new video. Now I posted a short video the other day where I said I'm finally going to take my 360 wave seriously. To do this, I have to have multiple brush sessions a day. And to really take it to that next level, I have to wake up and immediately brush my hair before I do anything else. So this video is going to be about my morning method. This is what I'm going to do every single morning for the next, I don't know, forever. Before we get into the video, I want to show you guys the products that I'm going to be using. The first thing we're going to be using is the self-cut system. That's the three-way mirror. The second set of products that we're going to be using is the Nick Wavy collection brushes. Yes, those are my own brushes that you can find in Walmart and CVS. I think they cost like 10 bucks. And the third product we're going to be using is a Wavy merch do-rag, wavymerch.com. So the first thing I do in the morning is I set up my self-cut system. Now the reason why I use this is because it has 3 angles where I'm able to see every angle of my head. It also has the angel lights and it's really bright and it's a white light. So I'm able to see every single angle, every single detail of how my waves look. And when we're trying to take it to that next level, we need to do that. So the second step that we do is we comb. We had our do-rag on for over 10 hours, so our head is turning and our hair is really compact. What combing does is that it opens up everything and it allows your hair to now be brushed and manipulated much easier than when your hair is in that compact state. So it's always important to comb before you brush. The third step is I get my little brush and I focus solely on the crown. Now the reason why I do this is because the hair in your crown is a lot softer as a texture compared to the rest of your hair. And it's such a precise hole that you need to focus on it. You could brush your hair normally and you don't really need a mirror, but when you're focusing on your crown, you need to be very precise with how you're manipulating the hair. And that's the hardest part in getting 360 waves. So I start off my session by focusing on my crown with the mini brush. And then after that, I'll grab my Nick Wavy collection soft brush and I'll just brush that around the crown area. And that will basically get my hair ready for full brushing now. So the fourth step is I use a spray bottle filled with water and I just lightly go over my head to kind of loosen up the hair. When we sleep, our hair is so compact and so tight. Throughout the night, it gets kind of dry. So what the water does is it helps make the hair more manageable and manipulatable. What am I trying to say? What the water does is it helps soften up my hair and it's easier to manipulate and manage with the brush, which is exactly what we're trying to do with our brush session. The fifth step that I do is I grab my hard brush. This is the Nick Wavy collection hard brush. And then I'll just brush my hair for about 20-30 minutes. I'm using the tip of the brush and I'm focusing directly on the crown because again, the crown is the most sensitive area and the hair there is the most sensitive. So I want to focus on that. And once I get my crown really laid down, then I can start brushing all the way through and focus towards brushing towards my face and the edges of my hair. I'm gonna do this for about 20-30 minutes until my hair is fully dry. After that, you'll notice that my waves are a lot more thick and they're bigger. That's because they were wet and I brushed them down and manipulated them to just crash all the way down to my hairline. Step 6, which is the final step, is I get my do-rag. Now we're using the Wavy merch do-rag, and when we made this, we made sure that the strings were long enough and we made sure that the strings were also wide enough. As you can see, I pull the strings all the way to the back and I pull the flap down so it's a tight, compact motion. And then I just tie the do-rag basically like a shoe. When I'm done that, I open up the flaps of the string and I lay it across my forehead. And this will help get the do-rag lines that you may have. That's because you have the little tight line string that's pressing against your forehead. When you open up the flap and you open up the strings, it just lays flat on your head. So actually it'd probably get rid of any lines that you might have. I don't like wearing my cape out most times, so I just twist it up and I tie it into the back of my do-rag. I've had this do-rag for 5 years and I only have 1 rip, so that goes to show you the quality of the Wavy merch do-rag. I think I need to get another do-rag. I have so many. So that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this morning method. I'm going to be doing this for the next forever. I don't even know. There's no timeline as to when I'm done doing this because waves is just consistent effort. I want to take my waves to the next level, and the only way I'm going to do that is if I'm having multiple brush sessions a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, post a comment down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so yet. Post in the comments to let me know if you guys are still waving, because I know when we were shooting videos back in the day, I'm talking like 10 years ago, I was still waving. Maybe even 15 years ago, maybe even longer. So do y'all still have waves or is it just me? I don't know. Post that in the comment section down below. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.